Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. A new week to No Stress Future Trading, where we analyze and execute based on trading plans. Well, let's go over the NQ. We'll start with the weekly. Last week's candle close and last week's low. So we had a very strong bullish week. You could just look at this candle body. Very little manipulation, of course, making new all-time highs. Let's go break this down into the daily here. So on the daily, we could look and see we do have this daily fair value gap here. Very powerful. Great place to go long if we get down there. That's daily fair value gap. We do have liquidity down here. That's the daily. But if we do drop, that would be an idea. 2% drop. Always possible. Let's break it down to the 4 hour. So 4 hour. So we have this order block here. Another possible target down here and here. So for our order block, also for it's kind of a 4-hour fair value gap down here. The liquidity, we also have a double bottom right there. So price action, this was capped the previous all-time high. So this was made, so if we deviate we could go, so now 15-minute Asia high, London high. This was previous all-time high. So let's draw here. So if this was a deviation, we could go back to the bottom of this range here. Could be take out this liquidity here on 15-minute, and if this would be a better short closer up here. If we balance up So this would be our target 1 and target 2. But I would want try to get closer. A short trade, looking for a short today. This would be a better entry here for a short. If we run up, maybe take out London high again, come back down. Then I would enter with a stop below New York. Possible down here. But, yeah, still, I don't like this wick here. But, so this is what I'm looking for. If we run back up, take out London again, close below, then look for a short. Look on the 5-minute here. Retest, at least retest this previous all-time high. Or here. Take a London high, close back down, and then go for the drop. It's Monday's trading day, so we had this chop here before. So, but I'm looking for a short this morning. I'll wait for if I got the pull back up to take this London high and come back down again. Another rejection. And Monday's price actions a little tougher to trade with, but that's what I'm looking for today. Let's see just quickly. See if there's any news today, and yeah, nothing today. And we had the Fed Chair Powell speaking tomorrow. So no news for today. Just tomorrow, I guess. All right, please like, subscribe. Thanks for joining.